What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, hold on, we have fireworks. Alright, guys, let's go watch the fireworks. Bro, they sound like fire. They don't sound like fireworks. It is nice. We're gonna watch it, as you can see. No one to bother us. Bro. Bro, awesome. As you can see, I won't be posting much, but I post enough to see events like this one. So if you want to see more events, hit that subscribe button. Don't get my channel banned. Hit that like button if you will, and comment your favorite FNAF character, because why not? Anyways, let's get back to the fireworks. I wonder if I fireworks. Jeez, they're pretty low. Oh, check out that one. Bro, you saw that one? Oh no, I know who that is. I've seen that from anywhere. I know who that is. Ooh. Let's get in. Oh, that was awesome, wasn't it? See you in the next video. Check out my candy.